Hey!
Montacho.
Pit check.
Outfit check.
Tayo na mag-video kasi.
Pit check. Why are you posing?
Goods. Mane!
Money!
Mani!
Money!
Money!
Magtutos tayo mamaya, money. Para sa'yo!
Oras pa niya.
Ha? Hindi. Mane!
Check natin. Check. Outfit check.
Yes, sir.
Outfit check. Yan, hirap bumulaw ba? Shesh!
Shesh.
Hey! Outfit check! Businessman. So guys, today, I'm going to conduct a research. Pumayo kayo't magpa-aral. This is the outfit. Outfit check tayo guys, outfit check.
Ulitin mo na ang 10-5.
Nagla-live tayo.
Mag-live
Live tayo ngayon
Mag-live ka
sa Facebook.
Oo.
So po at yung tawag na outfit namin. Yan. As you can see, very very professional but not so professional. So,
Ito po ay nagkakahalaga ng
this suit cost us just 80k guys, 80k. 80k yun.
Tara na daw, buhay bumaba na pare.
Dahil napaganda pag sinuot mo, boom! Para talagang legit na nila lang oh. Tapos gaganyan ka. Tapos kakaway-kaway ka doon. Biglang may bagsuntuhan ka kay Manny. Yan tayo, guys. I started it.